Hey guys, everyone on Patreon, I just wanted to like quickly show you where I'm at. I think I'm something like 6 to 10 days into being a verified developer. Meaning now now I can, my app can do lot more things. See, look, I'm an active developer. But anyways, okay, so like my app here can do, if you install it or you're on my channel, you can go in here and do the whole like what's two plus two, like what's two plus two. Like that's kind of like that isn't important. But ignore Karl Marx and Rush Limbaugh right now. All I have, and David Goggins, ignore him too. All I have right now working are Kanye and the computer science help desk. So if I do that, it's obviously going to do all of the kind of blah blah. Okay, so it does all this, which has a lot. There's a lot to be desired here, but that I was providing that like for free for a while. So delete. But down here, bottom right, I have this like nice little kind of interactive console for me to work on. But okay, so I go from here. Let's say I want to go to another Discord I'm in. Let's see. So it turns out there's been a lot of stuff I'm ignoring on the Discord documentation. But okay, so if I right click any message and I go in here and look at the app commands, I can be like, okay, let's get a second opinion on quote unquote. Let's see, do vampires need to use the washroom? Um, so the default one right now is Kanye, but there's going to be this response, and it's Kanye, but only I can see it. It says only you can see this message, and then I can just dismiss it. So there's that. That's really cool. The idea there is that I'm going to be providing that for a bunch of like options. Like instead of just automatically being Kanye, it's going to be your kind of user preference. So from there, I believe if I go to any other Discord, let's see. Even it works in like even the really big ones. Let's see. If I go to like a very active chat, where people are talking a lot, it'll work. So that's pretty cool. I'm kind of like at this point now where I'm working on permissions and like who. Okay, there. Kanye said to not that much, and I only play with planes. I don't care about that golden character. His username is golden. But they're fucking with me. Sorry, language. I'm working on that too. If I, I'm working on my LLM pipeline, but I'm at the point where like I can kind of control and know like, oh, there's an entire channel. Like, I could potentially have like a mafia bot or a Kanye bot that's like in a channel, and kind of can do a narrative. So I'm working on that and kind of deciding like where I need to be at with pricing and all that, because right now, if I go here to access, you have to apply to the server that all this is for free to do at. So like, um, yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty excited. I'm working on settings and all that, but yeah, I'm working on it here. Let me show this little. I was saying this little utility for me. If I go in here and I do a close command, I'm closed. So I'm closed, but actually I can get back on. So if I go in here, I'm still online. This is my bot. I'm still online, so I can just like hop back online. Boop, boop, and then I can be like test, or no, sorry, chat, test. What's two plus two? Or here, explain nuclear fission for Twitter, aka under 100 words. And then I have to go in here and say who am I asking? That's I want to ask the computer science help desk, which is supposed to be default, but that's gonna go. So it'll do the LLM thing. That's great and wonderful. If I go in here and so watch on the right, this kind of bot guy right here. He is currently playing Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six. If I go in here and I give a close code of I need to stop or I need to get offline, which I think is that. I don't think it's that. Sorry, I didn't build that command to do that. But I have the ability to say, set my presence to that. Okay, there, it went away. Now I can be like, no, I'm back online. See, I'm not playing Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six. I'm going to say, no, I am playing that. Now I'm back to playing it. So I have, like, I've been learning a lot. My ideal situation is I'm kind of like requiring permissions and who, like, either on Patreon or in my server or who has installed the app, who can use these and kind of like their priority. When I showed like my generation stuff, like my user ID is set to always be at the top. So yeah. Anyways, that's my that's kind of like what I've been building for the past 7 days. I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty excited for Discord taking care of all the auth stuff for me. I basically had to draw. Well, I didn't have to, but I've been working on this problem, like kind of who is who, for I don't know, since before Christmas, honestly. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, I hope that you got to use this stuff. Yeah, I'm having fun. Peace out.